Hi guys, in this video we talk about Oppo A3x. It's launched on July 2024. The Oppo 3x dimensions: height 6.53 inch, width 3 inch, thickness 7.7 mm, and the weight is 186 grams. And the build: front glass, plastic bag and plastic frame. The display of Oppo A3x, it's come with IPS LCD 16mm color screen type. The screen size is 6.67 inches with 85% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 720p with 264 ppi density. The refresh rate is 120Hz with 915 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available at this time. The platform of Oppo A3x, it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A76 and 2.4 GHz CPU. The GPU is Mali G57 and the memory of Oppo A3x 4 GB, 6 GB and 8 GB of RAM, 1 to 8 GB to 56 GB of ROM, and it supports micro SD card. The camera setup of Oppo A3x, it's come with dual camera setup, the 13 megapixel wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor with 1080p 60 fps video record, and the front selfie camera is 8 megapixel and it records 1080p 30 fps videos. The battery backup of Oppo 3x, it's come with 5100 mAh battery and the charging is 45 watt fast. It could not support wireless charging and it supports 5 watt reverse wired charging. The commons and the features of Oppo A3x, it's come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint side-mounted, NFC, UFS 2.2, and IP54 dust and splash resistant. The Oppo A3x price is $200.